secret. On the line, not for secret. Church of respect in all aspects. Good night, massive. Round of applause for Professor Luxon. Yes. So I'm telling you, the first DJ contest we win was 8 years old, Oak Valley Experimental. I'm a DJ sang in Tanso back and I'm doing do it. It's one of the man then, one of the first influences, one of the man who fall in love with this art form. And that's why we're there tonight. From him saying that I'm there for honor. Professor Luxon, love and respect. You know what? So me I don't sing a few, I want to say I can do 2 songs because you don't know. Dr. J needs something to play now. Check up with second honor, son. I saw the song in the Professor Luxon, your honor, see? You want to know, walking stone, over and say, come on. Everyone, I say, baggy to church, it's all on the back. Baggy down to be safe, everybody carry on. So what's that one, eh? When we say big up every massive and we big up every crew, you know, so nobody dance what I like. So then, put your hand up, put your hand up, all of it don't really matter if it's only a crazy. See how you know, so your party them empty. Put your hand up, put your hand up. What's not in the house and coach and dresser. All of the people them are ready, Professor Luxon. Put your hand up, put your hand up. It's all about now, massive. And if we made a brown so we can follow the close up to that. You can see that intimate of the answer. I tell you about the dancehall music. Press and get done. Romance your dog and your phone. You can be friends from my bro. You can be think them get go. Oh, tell them let go now. Tell them. Jungle there. The clean out people that big up on themselves. The clean out people that big up on themselves. See the Professor Luxon kick the other one from the stage one time. If you tell me how this is, I'm 10 years old, I say, I'm with you. You want man up? Hey, come on up. Tell me what man them say. If they would only, what? As a man up in there. Hey, don't do it, hey. Man, I'm getting grass. And then we tell you. Them say the wrong track. Put up your man if you know say the man shot. Them make me think that I can run over some man shot. No, I ever want to one gun salute. And there's one blank salute to the professor. Put up your man if you know say the man shot. Them make you think that I can run over some man shot. No, you know say. Remember say. When you introduce me as Agent Sasco, I'm sure there are young people there. I don't know like me say. You have a different name all the time. You never know that name. You never know that. You didn't know so what?
Assassin.
You know Assassin?
Assassin.
I know you should Google it. Yeah.
Stop it.
I know sister, but what's your name Assassin?
Stop it.
Play some of that. I said, I don't know one day have to sing on them today. So, you know, Professor Nuts, the storytelling and the expression in the music. You want, hello lady, you know, let me make a speech. You make a next request. You can't tell a story about the general, right? It's not that this is about Professor Nuts right about now. Can I honor the man, please? Yeah? Then of course, you know, I'm going to sing that too. So, I want to talk about again. Oh yeah, the storytelling. Understand, sir, it's not just, you know, brethren, what we respect and you sing some nice song and you just all of that. We are talking about real professor. We are talking about a different level of writing and composition and expression within the writing. And it says some things that just weave into the culture and even understand why it's lodging in your art because it's just so relevant to the Jamaican experience. I'll give you an example. You have a song, it's not even a song, you're up on a stage one time. I tell a story about, you remember the story about Jimmy, drunken Jimmy, right?
Yeah.
So Jimmy, the man said Jimmy come out of a bar, drunk as ratted and he said Jimmy lean up against a jumper and vomit, right? And the man said Jimmy I walk on the feet and see a mongrel dog. You know what kind of dog? A mongrel dog. Most Jamaican, right? Or a Jamaican terrier if you will. Engineer fixed that they can't match up the story without people somewhere. So anyway, Jimmy I walk on the feet and see a mongrel going near the vomit and say, move dog! And then Jimmy I look upon it and I say, hold on. I know my name the cheese strips. See it on the bull and the patty are mixed. Oh, my else my name the fry fish. And the police boy make a swallow dance please. Now, I don't know about one. But to make you the genius in them that little phone bar. First of all, what's a genius one? You see the thing about the man mentioned, that not there Barbados, the man talk about cheese streets, it is, and we call it cheese streets at Jamaica, they might call it cheese puff or something. It is it and the bulla and the patty, bulla and patty and cheese streets, very Jamaican. Him say over Elshine and the fried fish and the police boy make a swallow that split. That is genius, it's not just a joke. So round of applause for the professor. No, listen, remember some of listen notes from cassette years. You remember cassette? You remember cassette man and Alpha Tree? Yeah. So when you start take us from Alpha Tree down the to that papi, if me reach at the bus stop and then I play a notes cassette, whichever song I play when I reach, I now left till me hear it. So it was a regular I get beaten because I reach home when late and everything. So here I go, I sing a song that is inspired by the same kind of writing style from the professor. Let me see if you know it. Let's go. I want to talk about a most Jamaican experience. Hey, check. Oh, it's an hard one. We don't get me pay check. And I wait for the other one. Some people might not understand what a song I mean. But it's an hard-working Jamaican people. They never know. But what does it say? And to work. senior say me and the boss fight. About 6 weeks wages in owe me. I come and tell man story. But story can't put food on the table. Story can't put on back me cable. So boss man keep the fable. You don't see me life unstable. Hold on, me want 1 month rent and me have to pay half. Couldn't pay a light so that I have to stay off. Me have to leave my bills to pay off. The 6 week thing just show me way off. Lord, me pray me not get laid off. But as if I get laid off, I could have died thief and end up in a jail like Bernie made off. And tomorrow now, as we get it done, yes, and it feel like next month and I go. And man say, as we get the money, it done. It's about third verse, and tomorrow. Granny said, oh, what pumpkin, but me want to ask you something. How much money want gone in a month? Me want 4 tires, me want fix the front end. Water commission, them take me for fool. All me being heavy, so one me now fool. Now between that and the light building, them can go to school and tomorrow. I see. Yeah, them things are inspired by the professor. I have an next already just Jamaican song again. Not someone who want to buy anything, but they don't want to buy anything. What they tell them something? See? They say them happy with a style like that father. See that? Rest of them, what are they? Man, I just up in a name brand soon now, I them go. They can pick the yabba, they put a machine and name brand go. They don't man this mama girls and put them down for snoozer. All of them like a Lexus, my mama can take good. Tell them say I'm eating. Personally all the while. I tell you personally all the while. John, you look at them. I'm going to ask you something. Play that to the car. Yeah, man. You want to know? Now, I want to go to the award and I'm looking at the bar. The award got back in the bar. All right, about now. Professor, I want to say something. You have an next legend on the stage right this song. And the DJ song inspired by not just Professor Nuts and King Yellowman, but I must say 82 mobile, so me 80s baby. So what I said, you have mixed up with him in the song. You play them up. So remember say the style, original sing. Are you a guana? Hey, Professor Nuts, what's your mind of people? This is the right. Can't the girls and cameramen. A little coffee. Freaky when she ready, but she know when she fit classy. Talking about a slim girl, mixing up fatty and catching up a smile. Hey! Big body. Oh girl, you love. Gotta hold. You want to know where good and know why say you love. Yeah, I know we make you can't take master. And we make you a man fit up and see that beat. Yeah, I know we make you that beat off the gate from another day. Now I don't know the personal. Professor don't say anywhere we go. We say happy. Oh, so what's in that no lie? I'm happy. Yeah, you know, say that's something heavy. Hold on, Paris. Level. Let me get next professor on side. Level. Let me get next professor on side. Pull up. Everything like that. No. Professor knows some thing my name. And it's something I learned from the professor. The engineer, please. Yeah. That was style on here. The 4 bar or the 4th bar is where you find the punchline. You really don't realize that? So you have the stanza then set up in how you lead to an outcome, like a destination. It's not like the lyrics was a run. So one of the time, it was, the length of the lyrics was the appeal. A man DJ to the rhythm done, and I was like, yo, you hear that man DJ to the rhythm done. That's like the mix-up style right now. A chorus, the lyrics just a go, and it just a go. The Professor Nuts have a style here. It's leading to a punch on the 4th bar, or the 8th, or the 16th. So you do it in a, you haven't got a foot, then a union professor, then a study, we have to study.
Hey!
Yes.
And at the last 4 bar is a climax.
Thank you very much. I never want to say climax, I'm the ladies and get the wrong idea. But see me, sir, it's leading somewhere. Right now, there's a go on and a go on, sir. And some of the time, it leads in such a way. Jesus, young, thank you. So it leads in such a way where the listener can't even say the last line because it is a logical step to step. So you know the last line I'm going to say. And sometimes, in the most genius way, he might left out the last word because they don't know why it is already. So for example, showtime rhythm. Mama have her own, daddy have him own. Anything them have, you better leave that. Me say, yeah, you wanna that, get your own bone. Yeah, you wanna to live in and you wanna, and don't depend on mommy. If you get left, no will I depend on that. If you pay no light, then you must build the man, I'm going to say. Alright, so I'm going to give you a style, but I'm borrow from that style.
No problem.
See it? When I give you the microphone, I'm going to say, run. What am I going to say? Run, right? Like run, yes? Follow the reason. We say we come from the ghetto with no money now. Run. When I'm the part that people water. We don't listen. Politician in election. Gunshot of fire and a be a blood. No matter what we still now pack up. We can't forget the time they may not be a vibes. We kick up and we ends up be a joke we are. Anytime we're hungry is a boat we go. What a thing when my partner draw. Step up in the room good at a peer liquor. Yeah, don't pan a girl phone number. Then if the more after that a pump pump. Them time they fully under the studies of the professor, people like Lieutenant Sticky, Papa San, same way. Know the single, King Yellow, Admiral Bailey, all the greats there. The argument said, we put our first and second and third, watch your blessings come forward. Oh yes, it is on the back if you make your things shut and in the wagon code. In the wagon code, say, oh, you're scrubbing up on the dance of the whole city, the whole never give up, never lose hope, city. We never sell the hope, and never sell the hope. It never break the spirit, but we not broke. Roll out, smelling like carbolic. Yes, I bring the love it run out, just to say that flow. Jump it run through, just to go. I hear I know, social limited scope. But mama make me know, say Thailand and I rope. And we not frightened for nothing, God we used to go with no. From food stamp and no stand for local passport. Hey, juvenile, they put a gun behind the transport. Pick a lick no banknote, that had the transport. Everybody wants a bus like public transport. Pay a wood before, everything curry like gold. Put down rules and sit. Oh, my blessings come forth, the blessings come forth. Oh, you see this and the back if you look at me, shut up and get no power. See that man of the say. Oh, you're struggling up at the banks of the old God. We never give up and we never lose hope. We never say no. All roads are road to back road. We have to make a mark like the chalk on the blackboard. Yes, we have to do nothing for mama pop load. Got the spirit now to take a black load. So level now, the one that pop and one that walk from back to come and think man we love the king. We can't go down, go both for summer now. We can't go on the stage. And so take a summer, into the resistance. Professor Nancy put a first and second and third. Blessings come forth, the blessings come forth. Oh yes, it is and the back to the king. Little back of food, little back of food, but oh, you're struggling up at the lands of the old God. We never give up and we never lose hope. I'm going to say, all of my brother and sister them can really tell you and understand what this means to me right now. So it's not a normal something. I want to know about my ball and things, but I really, yes. Let's sing one more and go on and I don't want to say, we can't do that. No, this is don't rap. No, see, the general will sing it, come on and watch that too, and I have show tomorrow, so I want to rest, but I want to sit. You have a DJ, right? Not? Must, okay, so I want, yeah, so you see me, I know my idea today, and next year I'm going to be my idea. We just celebrate the Godfather. Round of applause one more time. No, round of applause to the professor. No, man, I've done the album launch. Oh, G, I played them. Alright, so play me level. You have winning and then you have being happy to see others win. Clean out people understand that. It said, when I see my friend from my enemies, I ask him why. No, it's not because of the house. Because I know. So I said, but the idea for the life that you said, I they shall show only back. The meditation is of life. Professor, may I be aware of my class? Remember, say, when you back classroom, watch out for people. But in a life, you have to watch out for people. Hey, them say, watch out for wolf in a sheep clothing. But me, I tell you, say, watch out for the sheep too. What's than the wolf then? Not of them are evil. All who you just help. Claim them don't need you. Yes, people all be yourself. You watch out for fake friend. You better careful of fake family too. More time who you pull up. Your love and respect to the people. I'll take on myself for them. One more before we say.
You know what he said? That 16 bar where you just go. You see how much climax you have.
You see, you know, you carry assignment to the teacher and they put C in it and the little notes. No, you have to go open the school clean the car. You know this one, bro. So, hey, we say them want to be a things you know them. How them can't be with the cause of outside the town. The Lord's my shepherd. We call upon the Father because we go fill out the struggle, but all those things sticky. We keep the pride, and the Lord provides, so we pass always a bubble. Stay by beside and we'll leave me alone. Him always said the yarn in the war zone. He make David Sugar like with a sling and a stone. Jamaican massive, I love you to the bone. Oh Lord, will not forsake me. Say, don't let me suffer. Love and respect. Once again, a round of applause for Professor Nuts. Everybody move forward tonight, understand something. There are some people who talk about it, but it's the next thing to be about it. But there are enough food, enough time I hear, man. Take the Almighty up on the cross and then wear the professor and this and that and people like, but you see, just look around. Look, you see, you do it, round of applause to yourself. You're doing it tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I hear one more time for Agent Sasco? What a beautiful tribute that was Agent Sasco.